Evaluate the integral of sine 1 over x cubed dx. So we can apply here integration by parts. Using integration by parts, or IBP for short, the formula is integral of u dv equal to uv minus integral of v du. So we can let u be equal to, I will split first the power of 1 over x cubed into 1 over x times sine of 1 over x squared dx. So that 1 over x times 1 over x squared is sine x cubed. Okay, I did this because in order for us to integrate the sine 1 over x dx by using substitution, we must have 1 over x squared dx if we let's say t be equal to 1 over x, so that it will be integrable. So that's the plan. We will let dv be equal to sine 1 over x squared dx, and we will let u be equal to 1 over x. And then we differentiate the u, derivative of u du, derivative of 1 over x. So 1 over x is equal to x to the negative 1. Applying power rule, its derivative is, so you bring down the exponent negative 1, and then x raised to negative 1 minus 1, or negative 2 dx. Or therefore, we have du equal to negative 1 over x squared dx. And then for the dv, we will integrate integral of dvv, integral of sine 1 over x squared. So we can let t be equal to 1 over x. And then getting its derivative, derivative of t dt, derivative of 1 over x, same here. It's equal to negative 1 over x squared dx. Negative 1 over x squared dx. So what we need is just the positive dx over x squared. We got rid of this negative sign by dividing both sides of the equation by negative 1. So therefore, we'll have dt over negative 1, or negative dt, equal to positive 1 over x squared dx. So therefore, if we substitute, we'll have the integral of sine of 1 over x, which is t, and then this dx over x squared is equal to negative dt. Okay, we can put the negative in front. So we'll have negative integral of sine t dt. So negative integral of sine t is negative cosine t. So we have negative of negative cosine t, that's positive cosine t. And then substitute back the t in terms of x, which is 1 over x. So we'll have cosine of 1 over x. Therefore, that is the value of v. So we can now apply integration by parts formula. Therefore, the integral of the given sine 1 over x squared dx, x cubed, is equal to uv. So u is 1 over x times the v, which is this one, cosine of 1 over x, and then minus the integral of v du. So v again is cosine 1 over x, and then the du is negative 1 over x squared dx. So therefore, we'll have 1 over x cosine of 1 over x and then put the negative sign in front. We'll have negative times negative. It will become positive integral of cosine 1 over x squared dx. So to evaluate this integral, we can apply the same substitution here. We can let t equal to 1 over x so that its derivative negative dt is equal to 1 over x squared dx. So substituting, we'll have the integral of cosine 1 over x, which is t, and then this dx over x squared is negative dt. So you put the negative in front, we'll have negative integral of cosine t dt. And we have negative integral of cosine t is positive sine t. Then substitute back the t in terms of x, 1 over x. So we'll have negative sine of 1 over x. And then combining the two terms, 1 over x cosine 1 over x. And then this one, negative sine 1 over x, then put plus c for the constant of integration. So this will be the integral of sine 1 over x cubed dx.